Just a quick garden update. That grapevine loaded this year. Look at all them grapes coming on there. Those are green grapes that they make wine out of. Can't remember the exact name, but they make Chardonnay out of them. The bunches didn't all fill in like you'd expect. This one turned out nice, but some of these are less than desirable. Not sure where that went wrong. But most of them turned out all right, about half full, a little over half full. There's my mint, my spearmint, coming back for the third year. These are my Concord grapes. They are going crazy this year. Going to have a lot of Concord grapes next year, which is fine with me. My pride and joy, I'm not getting a lot, but there's a few black raspberries coming on this year. Took 3 years, but this year I finally got a few black raspberries on this one little briar, and it's spreading out, making baby briars. There's a little baby briar there and a little baby briar there. Got berries down here on the ground for some reason. And there's the blueberries. I don't know why, but the one just, see him over here, he's just kind of dried up and died. But I don't know, this is Arkansas. Fungus capital of the world. I've never seen so many funguses that kill plants as I've seen here. We got some blueberries coming on there. I don't know if you can really see them very well, but got a few. But you can tell by looking, the plant's got a problem. It's got them spots on the leaves, and it's still not getting very big. Here's another black raspberry I just planted last year. The deer ate it down to nothing, but it's coming back. I put some compost around it. But this guy is supposed to be a purple raspberry, but he has gone nuts. Look at all the sprouts. And it got berries. I just had some. God, they're good. They're just as good as black raspberries. Black raspberry is the best. If you've never had them, try them. He's got more babies coming up here. It's just little babies coming up everywhere in here. There's a few berries I missed. Oh yeah, them are good. Them are some good berries right there. And then over here towards the rest of the garden, this is my Golden Delicious apple tree. Stripped bare up as high as the deer can reach. Did not flower this year, but it's growing very well. I expect to see fruit on it next year. I was hoping to see fruit on it this year, but I expect fruit next year. And I got to untangle this, but in the middle there, that tall thing is a Honeycrisp apple. Last year the fungus really knocked it down, but it seems to be coming back with a vengeance this year, so that's a good thing. And I just messed my compost pile all up trying to stir it up with the tractor. Here's all the chicken mess from out in the coop. I've got to mix it in with a whole bunch of that and make compost this year. And the thing that I was most proud of is this little guy here. And then there's another one over here coming up. Those are my pawpaws. I've never had pawpaws, but they sound delicious. So hopefully another year or two we'll find out. Watermelons. Cantaloupes. Zucchini. Pepper. Those are paste tomatoes and those are paste tomatoes. Those two are round tomatoes, and there's 2 plants in each. I got lazy when it was time to plant. Almost didn't get a garden this year. And these are bush variety cucumbers. I still string them up on the fence, but they only grow about 3 or 4 feet, which is good. That's all you need. So that's just a quick update on the garden area. What's going on here? As you can see down there, I don't know how well you can see it, and then right over there, I have the pecan trees, and for some reason they're still alive, but they don't seem to be getting any bigger. This is the third year. They say the third year is when they really go, and they just aren't really going. I think there's some kind of a fungus that attacks them. It's like you get a branch hanging out like this big, looking good, and then all of a sudden you come out the next day, dead. Just completely turned brown and dead. But it's still alive, so there's still hope. And then these are the pear trees. They've also got a fungus. But they really needed some fertilizer, apparently, because this year they did not make fruit. Because late freeze after they bloomed. Look how thick and lush they're coming in this year. I don't know if you go back to an old video of mine from last year, you'll see they had a lot of fruit on them, but they were spindly looking and they looked like they were sick. I put down a nice dose of fertilizer and it really made a difference. So far that's the garden for this year. We'll have more updates when something happens. Thanks for watching.